kids, in the previous video we had learned two-letter words. Are you practicing at home? Right, very good. Now we are going to learn three-letter words with A sound. Do you want to learn more about it? So let's go.
Children, now you all must be knowing alphabet A to Z, right? And in previous video you had learned two-letter words like no, it, we. These are two-letter words. Now today your ma'am is going to teach you three-letter words with A sound. See children, can you see the letters from A to Z? Yes. Can you see there are some letters wearing a crown? And which are those letters? A, E, I, O, U. Children, do you know why? They are wearing a crown because they are special letters and all these have a special sounds. Okay children? See children, there are two clouds drawn over here. And in the first cloud there are only 5 letters. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Why they are only 5 letters? Because see, did you notice that they are the letters which one wearing a crown and they are special letters and therefore they are called as a vowels. And the remaining letters, see there are so many letters written in this cloud also. So the remaining letters they are called consonants. And you know why they are called consonants? Because they have two sounds. That is why they are called as consonants. And children, vowels are those letters which has only one sound. So for example, let us take the first letter A. And what does A says? A says A. Can you hear? The starting is also the A sound and is also end with A sound. So children, this is only one single sound, right? And the consonant have two sound. For example, let's take a letter B. B says B. So in this it is starting with B sound but it is ending with A sound. So it is having two sounds. So they are called consonants. Means vowels have one single sound and consonants have two sounds. From these vowels, today we are going to learn A sound words. Let's learn A sound words. Look children, which picture is this? Yes, bat. So let's learn the spelling of bat. B A T bat. B says B, A says A, T says T. B A T. Bat. B A T bat. B A T bat. तो बच्चों जब भी आप ये वर्ड लिखोगे तो पास पास में लिखोगे, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे लिखना है. And then next we have cat. And the spelling of cat is C A T cat. C says K, A says A, T says T. K A T cat. C A T cat. And then next picture is hat. And the spelling of hat is H A T hat. H says H, A says A, T says T. H A T hat. H A T hat. And then next picture is mat. And the spelling is M A T mat. M says M, A says A, T says T. M A T mat. M-A-T, mat. And the last picture is rat. And the spelling is R-A-T, rat. R says R, A says A, T says T. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. So children, today we have learned so many words from A sound like bat, cat, hat, mat, rat. But children, have you noticed in these words there are two letters are common. They are AT, 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 AT. So here we got AT rhyming words. But children, along with these words, there are three more words related to AT rhyming words. And first is F A T, fat. Fat यानी मोटा. And second word is P A T, pet. Pet यानी पीठ थपथपाना. And last word is S A T, sat. Sat यानी बैठना. So let's revise AT rhyming words. BAT, bat, CAT, cat, FAT, fat, HAT, hat, MAT, mat, PAT, pet, RAT, rat, SAT, sat. When we hear same sound again and again from different words, they are known as rhyming words like bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pet, rat, sat. And here we hear same sound of AT. So we got here AT rhyming words.
Children, do you want to see one magic? I have one nice activity for you. Now, see, B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, F-A-T, fat, H-A-T, hat, M-A-T, mat, R-A-T, rat, S-A-T, sat, and last one P-A-T, pet. So children, have you enjoyed this activity? You can also do this activity at your home with your parents.
Do you want to learn AT rhyming words with action? So let's start. AT rhyming words. BAT, bat, CAT, cat, FAT, fat, HAT, hat, MAT, mat, PAT, pat, RAT, rat, SAT, sat. So practice at home.
See children, this is your red and blue line book, and in this book we will write spellings. First of all, write the heading A sound words, and in first line we will write first spelling, and that is B A T, bat. One more time we will write, touch the line B A T, bat. In this way you have to complete the spelling 5 times. Leave some space, and here we will draw picture of bat. You have to draw 2 standing line, curve, and slanting, 2 standing, curve, 2 slanting lines, and small slipping lines. In this way you have to draw bat. Now children, first of all, leave one line, and here in this line we will write next spelling, and that is C A T, cat. One more time we will write C A T, cat. In this way you have to complete this spelling 5 times. Leave some space, and we will draw here picture of cat. First of all, draw one circle, curve, come down, again curve, slipping line, small slipping line, standing line, and you have to do like this. Here 2 eyes, ears, and whiskers. Now we will take new page and we will write next spelling, and that is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. And in this way you have to complete 5 times. Leave some space, and here we will draw picture of hat. 2 slipping line, curve, upper curve. Then you will do like this. Again slipping line and a small flower. Hat. Now leave one line, and here in this line we will write next spelling, and that is mat. M-A-T, mat. And you have to complete this spelling 5 times. And here we will draw picture of mat. You know very well how to draw mat, right children? Like this. Slipping line, slanting line, corner to corner. Small circles and small slipping lines. Like this way you have to draw mat. Again take a new page and write next spelling, and that is rat. R-A-T, rat. And you have to complete this spellings 5 times. And here we will draw picture of rat. First of all, draw big slipping line, small curve, now big curve, and the tail. Here one eye, whiskers, ears. Now we will draw 4 legs, 2 here and 2 here. Again take a new page and write heading 80 rhyming words. And you have to write after this margin. The first spelling is bat. B-A-T, bat. Next spelling is C-A-T, cat. Next is F-A-T, fat. Next spelling is H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pet. Next is R-A-T, rat. And S-A-T, set. In this way, you have to write the spellings one below the other.
Children, you must memorize this rhyming words, and you have to do writing practice at home with your parents. So, until then, bye.